Whirlpool dryer not heating. Good news. Whirlpool dryers are straightforward to diagnose and repair. Here's the quick troubleshooting guide. Check 1. Thermal fuse. Whirlpool puts the thermal fuse on the exhaust duct inside the dryer. It's a small device about the size of a quarter. If it blows, the dryer either dies completely or runs with zero heat. The fuse costs $10. With labor, about $100 to $150 total. But here's the thing. It blew because the vent is clogged. We always clean the vent when replacing a thermal fuse on Whirlpool dryers. Check 2. Heating element. On Whirlpool electric dryers, the element is a coil inside a metal housing. When it burns out, zero heat. Runs about $150 to $250 to replace. Check 3. Gas valve solenoids. If you have a Whirlpool gas dryer, the solenoids that open the gas valve can fail intermittently. The dryer heats for a while then stops. Classic symptom is clothes are warm but not dry. $150 to $250. Check 4. The timer or control board. On older Whirlpool models with a mechanical timer, the timer contacts can burn out, stopping the heating circuit. On newer electronic models, it's the control board. Timer is $100 to $200. Board is $200 to $300. Whirlpool and Maytag, same manufacturer, same parts. If you have a Maytag dryer, this guide applies to you too. Same-day Whirlpool and Maytag dryer repair. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.